obviously we have not finished with all the logic, but today essentially we made this switch over to basically managing pets, dynamically creating them, but not as pets anymore, but as dogs and cat instances of these new classes. This is very, very significant because, again, if you look at this diagram, the size of cat in memory, right? This the entire size. This, you know, how much memory cat takes in is different compared to how much memory is taken by a dog, right? But because the vector doesn't allow to store different types of different sizes inside the vector container, we decided to store pointers to the pet object. Okay, so this is what we have so far. But this gives us an enormous opportunity to basically add functionality to cat, right? So to cat and dog individually, we can be adding very different functionality to these boxes and make them very different, and yet keep an uniform collection of pointers to both types, and if necessary, a different type of pet can be added, right? Very quickly, if we wanted to. Again, there will be a pet inside, and if we wanted to, we can quickly add another type. This adds tremendously to the way we can maintain and design this application. And once everything is in place, it becomes really well organized, and it will have it will give us an ability to have a lot of flexibility in terms of doing things specifically for cats and dogs and other types of objects, which we will be managing when calculating fees and printing those individual objects. So this is our very kind of hard and very informal look at the object inheritance, but I'm trying to keep this big picture for you in view, to make sure that you understand that sometimes you cannot just do everything inside one class. It makes sense to actually switch over and change to I'm trying to locate my mouse pointer.